Good afternoon. This is Mayor Bob White. Today is Sunday, April 5th, 2020, and this is COVID-19 briefing number 11. Currently, over 34,000 New Jersey residents have contracted COVID-19. There were 4,331 new cases reported yesterday and 200 new deaths, bringing the total deaths up to 846. Both those figures are second highest in the nation. Bergen County has almost 6,000 cases of COVID-19, 179 resulting in deaths. Yesterday alone, 47 Bergen County residents succumbed to this terrible virus. We in Saddlebrook must continue to do our parts to reduce the number of infections and flatten the curve. As of Friday, April 3rd, Saddlebrook had over 79 residents infected and at least 2 deaths. At a press conference on Saturday, April 4th, 2020, New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy, on the advice of the Center of Disease Control, recommended that people wear face coverings or masks in public. This measure is not fail-safe, but if someone has COVID-19 and has no symptoms, they could unknowingly be spreading it to others. Wearing a mask can protect you and others from being infected. Bergen County Executive Jim Tedesco is urging county residents to start using cloth coverings over their noses and mouths when they have to be out in public as added protection, especially in public settings where other social distancing measures are difficult to maintain. For example, the grocery store or pharmacy. The governor, county executive, and health officials advised against using surgical masks because those are critical supplies that frontline healthcare workers need. They prefer that scarves or cloth coverings be used instead. I want to state some facts and clear up some misconceptions about COVID-19, coronavirus. And these facts are from the Center for Disease Control and the World Health Organization. Number 1, you can catch it no matter how sunny or hot the weather is. It can be transmitted in areas with hot and humid weather. Number 2, most people who catch it can recover and eliminate the virus from their bodies. Catching it does not mean you will have it for life. Number 3, the most common symptoms are dry cough, tiredness, and fever. Some people may develop more serious forms of the disease, such as pneumonia. People of all ages, number 4, people of all ages can be infected. Older people and those with pre-existing medical conditions such as asthma, diabetes, or heart disease appear to be more vulnerable to becoming severely ill. The death rate from the virus is between 2 and 4%. All of us should take steps to protect ourselves from the virus by following good hand hygiene and good respiratory hygiene. Number 5, drinking alcohol does not protect you against the virus. Number 6, taking a hot bath does not prevent the virus. Number 7, hand dryers are not effective at killing the virus. Number 8, the virus cannot be transmitted through a mosquito bite. Domestic animals can get the virus, although there have not been many confirmed cases and they are not likely to spread it. Number 9, there is no known vaccine for the coronavirus, and vaccines against pneumonia do not provide protection against coronavirus. Number 10, there is no evidence that regularly rinsing the nose with saline has protected people from infection of the virus. Number 11, the virus can travel in the air between 3 and 6 feet. It can spread from person to person through small droplets from the nose or mouth, which are spread when a person with the virus coughs or exhales. Number 12, the virus can last on surfaces for a few hours up to several days. Common areas should be washed frequently with a simple disinfectant. You can catch the virus from packages, but it's unlikely that a package sent to your home would carry the virus. I want to mention a couple of complaints received by my office that are rather disturbing. Individuals have been discarding latex gloves on the ground in parking lots after shopping in stores, rather than disposing of them properly. Also, our police have had to disperse groups of youth from ball fields and basketball courts in town, even though signs are clearly posted indicating that these areas are closed. please don't be that person that contributes to the problem rather than helping to fight against it. Residents experiencing financial hardship as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic can benefit from the Federal Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security CARES Act. Information can be found online at nj.gov or www.co.bergen.nj.us. Residents that do not have access to the internet can call Town Hall at 201-587-2903 or the Community Partnership Hotline at 201-587-2912. I want to thank all those who have donated personal protective equipment, masks, gloves, etc. to our township's first responders. Recent donations include those from the Saddlebrook School District, the Dynasty Buffet, and Coining Corporation. I thank all our township employees for their hard work and dedication to the residents of Saddlebrook. You have been stepping up during a most difficult and stressful time. I can't stress enough how fortunate we are to have the best and the most devoted volunteer emergency responders from our ambulance corps and fire department. I also want to thank all our residents that work in the healthcare field who are on the front line of this national crisis. Thank you very much, and please stay safe.